Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to reduce photo file size on Android. So open your gallery and go to info, and there is 420 kb's file size of photo original, and open the Play Store and download image size photo resizer. When you download and open it, when you open in the interface of this like this, and click to white and add some random photo of I choose on my screenshot albums. I choose this any random photo like this medicine. So the actual size is 420 kb's. Now we will to convert less than, so you 420 kb to now 122 kb. It was working for this size photo. This is how to reduce photo file size on Android. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.